Hello, today's topic? At the stadium.
Greetings and welcome to the stadium.
Hello. Thank you for having me.
It's our pleasure. Are you excited for the game?
Absolutely. I've been waiting for this all week.
That's great to hear. Have you been here before?
No, it's my first time. The stadium looks impressive.
Indeed, it's quite a sight. Which team are you supporting?
I'm here for the home team. Go Tigers.
Ah, a loyal supporter. The Tigers have a strong fan base.
Yes, they do. What about you? Any team preference?
I'm impartial, but I appreciate good sportsmanship.
Fair enough. Let's find our seats. Do you know where they are?
Yes, they're in Section D, row 20.
Perfect. Let's head there now. While the atmosphere is buzzing.
It sure is. The crowd is eager for kickoff.
I love the energy. It's infectious, isn't it?
Absolutely. It adds to the excitement of the game.
Look, the players are warming up on the field.
They seem focused and ready to give it their all.
I hope it's a close match. Those are always thrilling.
Indeed, Nail. Biters make for memorable games.
Agreed. Let's grab some snacks and settle in for a great match.
Sounds like a plan. Enjoy the game.
Vocabulary.
Stadium. Pleasure. Excited. Impressive. Team. Support. Home. Fan. Base. Sportsmanship. Seat. Section. Row. Atmosphere. Buzzing. Crowd. Kickoff. Energy. Excitement. Player.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.